A turntable rotates counterclockwise at 78 rotations per minute. A spec of dust on the turntable is at 0.45 radians at t is equal to 0 seconds. What is the angle of the speck at t is equal to 8 seconds? Your answer should be between 0 and 2 pi. Here, omega is given to us 78 rotations per minute. So omega is equal to 78 rotations per minute. Okay, one rotation is equal to 2 pi radians. And then 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, therefore convert 78 rotations per minute into radians per second. So what we have to do, 78 into 2 pi by 60. That gives a value of 8.168 radians per second. Okay. Now the formula is omega is equal to theta f minus theta I by delta t. We have to find out theta f. So theta f is equal to theta I plus omega times delta t. Here we found out the omega. Okay. And then t is delta t is given as 8 seconds. And next theta I is given as 0.45 radians. Now let us find out theta f. Theta f is equal to 0.45 radians plus 8.168 radians per second times 8 seconds. Okay. Therefore, theta f is equal to, we add this kind of things, we will get 65.79 radians. Okay. Now what we have to do is, we know 2 pi is the, so this is the circle, no, circular motion. Okay. Here what happens, one full circle is 2 pi radians. Am I right? So this is the 2 pi, one full circle. So how many full circles have completed? That we have to find out. So that is equal to one rotation. 2 pi radians is equal to one rotation. So how many full rotations? So in 65.79 radians, how many rotations? So 65.79 radians divided by 2 pi rotations, radians per rotation. So this is equal to how much? 10.4947 rotations. Okay, so we have to find out this again into, he is asking us to find out the answer in radians. So 0 to 2 pi. So we have to convert this factor into 10 complete rotations are over. Then remaining partial rotations, we have to convert it into radians. So we have to do 0.47 into 2 pi will give the answer for us. What is the answer? 2.95 radians. That is equal to 3 radians. This is the answer. Hope this helps. Thank you. Bye-bye.